How to repost autoplay video on Instagram story. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can repost autoplay video on your Instagram story. Now, Instagram lately brought out the feature that you can repost a video post on your Instagram story and the video autoplays. Now, to repost the video on your story, all you need to do is head over to the post, and below the post you'll find this share icon just beside the comment icon, which you can tap and you'll get the option to repost it to your story. Now, if the video doesn't autoplay, it's simply because your app isn't updated, since it's the latest feature that has just come out. Now, to update it to your latest version, head over to your app store, your Android app store or Google Play Store or other app store that you use, and search for Instagram. Now, if you are on Play Store, you'll get an interface like this, and if your app isn't updated to the latest version of the app, you'll find a little update option instead of this open option that you can see on the screen right now. Now, what you want to do is tap on update and it'll start updating and install itself. Now, once this happens, if you open up the app, you'll get an interface like this. Now, to share a video, all you want to do is tap on the share icon below the post, and on the bottom left of your screen you can get the option add to your story. Once you add it to your story, the video will autoplay itself if your app is updated to the latest version of the app. So make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.